Colmar is a charming town in the Alsace region of northeastern France. Colmar known for its picturesque canals, colorful half-timbered houses, and rich history. Here's a glimpse into what makes Colmar a special place. Little Venice, Petite Venise, this is arguably Colmar's most famous district. Canals wind through the colorful houses, creating a truly enchanting scene. Historical center, explore the well-preserved medieval and Renaissance architecture of the old town. Museums, visit the Unterlinden Museum, which houses a remarkable collection of art, including the Eisenheim altarpiece. Wine region, Colmar is located in the heart of the Alsace wine region, offering opportunities to visit vineyards and sample local wines. Christmas markets, Colmar is renowned for its beautiful Christmas markets, which transform the town into a winter wonderland. Colmar is a delightful destination for a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or simply a relaxing escape. Colmar's Christmas markets are renowned for their charm and authenticity. Here's why they're so special. Charming setting. The markets are nestled amongst the picturesque canals and half-timbered houses of Colmar's Little Venice, creating a truly magical atmosphere. Focus on tradition. The markets emphasize traditional Alsatian crafts, food, and decorations. You'll find handcrafted ornaments, gingerbread, and local delicacies. Mulled wine and festive treats. Warm up with a cup of vin chaud, mulled wine, or enjoy a bredele, a traditional Alsatian Christmas cookie. Festive atmosphere. The markets are filled with the sights and sounds of the season, including carol singers, live music, and the aroma of festive treats. Tips for visiting. Plan your visit. The markets typically run from late November to late December. Dress warmly. The weather can be cold in Colmar during the winter months. Arrive early. To avoid crowds, try to visit the markets early in the day. Embrace the festive spirit. Soak up the atmosphere and enjoy the unique charm of Colmar's Christmas markets. Visiting Colmar during the Christmas season is a truly magical experience. The town transforms into a winter wonderland, and the Christmas markets add a special touch of festive cheer. Here's a possible walking tour route to experience the magic of Colmar's Christmas markets. Start at Place de l'Ancien Douane. This charming square often hosts a lively Christmas market with a focus on local crafts and Alsatian specialties. Enjoy the festive atmosphere and warm yourself up with a cup of vin chaud. Wander through Petite Venise. Stroll along the picturesque canals, admiring the colorful houses and festive decorations. Stop at a cozy cafe for a hot chocolate or a bite to eat. Visit Place Jeanne d'Arc. This square usually features a market with a focus on regional products and gourmet food. Explore Place de la Cathédrale. This square, dominated by the impressive St. Martin's Collegiate Church, often hosts a Christmas market with a more traditional atmosphere. Head towards Place de la République. This central square usually features a large Christmas tree and a variety of market stalls selling everything from handcrafted gifts to festive treats. Tips for your walking tour. Wear comfortable shoes. You'll be doing a fair amount of walking, so comfortable shoes are essential. Dress warmly. The weather can be cold in Colmar during the winter months. Bring a camera. Capture the magical Christmas atmosphere and the picturesque scenery. Indulge in local treats. Sample bredele, Alsatian Christmas cookies, vin show, mulled wine, and other festive delicacies. Take your time, don't rush. Enjoy the festive atmosphere and soak up the charm of Colmar. A night tour of Colmar offers a unique and enchanting experience. Here's what you can expect. Illuminated landmarks. See the city's iconic landmarks, like the Little Venice canals, the St. Martin's Collegiate Church, and the Pfister House, bathed in soft evening light. Romantic ambience. Enjoy the peaceful atmosphere of the city after dark, with fewer crowds and a more relaxed pace. Discover hidden gems. A night tour might reveal hidden corners and charming alleyways that you might miss during the day. Unique perspectives. Experience the city from a different angle and appreciate the beauty of its architecture and canals illuminated at night. Dinner and drinks. Enjoy a delicious meal at a local restaurant or unwind with a glass of wine at a cozy wine bar. Where to find night tours? Local tourist office. Check with the Colmar tourist office for information on guided night tours. Online booking platforms. Websites like Viator, Get Your Guide, and TripAdvisor often offer guided night tours of Colmar. I recommend checking for any special night tours during the Christmas season, as they may offer unique experiences like lantern tours or Christmas carol singing. Enjoy your evening exploring the magical city of Colmar.